So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Takar Nabam. I have been playing music since 2002. That's when I first picked up the instrument. I lived in a city for 20 years where I got exposed to a lot of different styles of music, ranging from heavy metal to rock to pop and to jazz and world music as well at a later stage. So for me, moving back to Arunachal, सबसे एक challenging चीज़ ये था when I moved back in 2018, 17, 18 was there were not many avenues to look around when it came to anything regarding music and relating to music. Like, let's say, performance isn't the only thing that an artist can do to make a living. There are other avenues like teaching music or doing studio related work or film music or background scoring, something of that nature. So all different kinds of work that is encompassed within the musical sphere that I felt was not very solid a few years back. But as I look today, a lot has happened. We are seeing a lot of local films coming out, a lot of composers getting opportunities here in our state. There are more avenues, more private players who are also organizing events, inviting artists to come from outside, and also doing a lot more than what it was a few years back. But still there is a long way to go, I feel. सबसे नंबर वन चीज़ ये होगा कि जनरल अवेयरनेस जो है अभी भी लोगों का थोड़ा लैक करता है इन द सेंस कि म्यूज़िक सोचने से सब सोचते हैं बस कैरियोके में जाके गाओ यार सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए या फुर्ती के लिए है. बट टू मी द वे आई लुक एट म्यूज़िक इज़ एज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. आप चाहे कुछ भी करिए, अगर आप फुल टाइम भी अगर म्यूज़िक कर रहे हैं तो दैट्स really bold, I think, and a very bold choice to survive in this kind of a setting where still a lot of things are at its nascent stage. क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ पे ecosystem अभी तक एक build नहीं हुआ है where we can do multiple things and still pay our bills and make a living. तो बहुत चीज़ें lack है, जैसे कि I would say proper formal music education नहीं है अभी तक. Formal music education, awareness in the sense like people are still learning things just from internet, although that is a very vast source from where you can gather so much information, but उसको proper way से teach करने के लिए भी हमारे पास avenues इतना अभी तक है नहीं. Secondly, I feel there is a lack of a proper institute where every member or every person who has collaborated or contributed to a piece of music, piece of painting or piece of art needs to be credited in a way that every time that song is being played or that movie is being played, they are paid certain revenue. So I think we need some kind of a system. Like in general in India we have the IPRS, Indian Performing Rights Society, but locally if we are doing things, maybe it might be helpful to have a body that identifies and recognizes everyone's contribution. Because it's not just one person who's in the screen that you see who's doing all the work, because there are a lot of people also behind who are putting in all the effort and doing all the work that we don't see and needs to be appreciated and also credited. So ये एक चीज़ है जो हमको मुझे लगता है कि lacking है in the contemporary context also, and that needs to be worked on. Apart from that, for me, like because मेरा जो थोड़ा म्यूज़िक इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ा वेस्टर्न म्यूज़िक से और कंटेम्प्रेरी फॉर्म ऑफ म्यूज़िक से रहा है इतना साल, तो जब मैं वापस आया तो मुझे बहुत एक शॉक लगा कि बहुत सारा चीज़ यार डिफरेंट था, एंड आई हैड टू काइंड ऑफ नेविगेट माई वे, मैन्यूवर माई journey in such a way that I could take influences from here. I would say my friend who's also an amazing artist, David Angu. So we met a few years back, and he would always say कि अरे तकर भैया ये गाना एक है, try करते, let's try something, let's try doing something. So I kind of credit him also because he kind of got me in this space where I could think about collaborating or blending different musical influences that I had with a touch of folk. So initially जब किया तो बहुत मतलब it took some time to understand कि अच्छा ऐसे भी possible हो सकता है. And my intention was that कि okay, you give me this idea, जो भी आपका folk tune है, folklore है, हमको दीजिए. Let me try and put it in a way that the song becomes presentable to the people outside of our state also. Let's see if we can get something out of this. So that was my approach to it initially. I would say maybe five years ago. तो ये एक ऐसे experiment start किया. And the first experiment we did for the song Ho Dalo, it did pretty well, and then we got to experiment on more songs. And subsequently, over the course of few years, I've had the chance to also work with a lot of other artists who came to my home. Chota sa ek home setup mera hai, uspe they came and worked with me on recording their demos or making their song arrangements. So fortunately for me, besides just playing my music, which is very difficult, just to sustain doing that, I feel studio production काम भी हमको सीखना पड़ गया. I had to learn and adapt my techniques in a way where I could also adapt myself and adjust to different settings. So anybody who's planning to do anything related to music, I would say कि be open to learning all different skill sets. It will be very helpful in every step at every stage. You never know कौन सा skill आपको काम आएगा उस पे. So I worked with a lot of other artists, including Chorun Mugri, who came and recorded a song with me. And also a lot of women artists were also there, like Marpi Bam, Carolina Norbu, Dambi Jini, Yami Puri. So a lot of artists have come and worked on folk fusion tracks particularly. And this is a very good thing, I would say, because this way, हम लोग का जितना youths लोग है, बहुत सारा लोग है जो otherwise folklore के बारे में शायद कुछ जानेगा नहीं, but through this little initiative and effort, we are able to pass on the message, the stories of our folklore, ancient folklore, to them also. And I think it was something really, I felt कि as artists, as creators, that's the least we can do, and let's try our best, because anyway, a lot of our things are oral, and बहुत सारा चीज़ तो मतलब it's losing its, we are losing a lot of words every day.
In that, I'd like to get something,
Sure.
one more question. Do you think it's just the good vibe feel that young generation get out from the local songs, or is it a way also to rediscover their roots?
Could you repeat the first part again, sorry?
I mean, you are talking about this young artist, singing in the folk, talking about folklore, presenting folklore in different formats. So do you think it's just because they feel a good vibe out of it, or are they trying to rediscover their roots?
I think rediscover